We had some really good stuff preceding us, I know that. Anyway, this next one is dedicated to the ladies in attendance. But we want to make it an audience participation situation. That means if you can find the flashlight on your cell phone, we want you to turn it on and enjoy it. It's going to look, the more the merrier. It looks like the Milky Way, literally. With this many people, it'll be beautiful. This is for the ladies.